Hey everyone, Yui here, and we're actually back with Bakugan content because we need to try out the Avian Clan sets.
What's cool is this.
So, I'm running birds, just with a slight difference. Still have Galaxy Venturi and Street Brawl PNG, but now we got Core Flame. And you, my good sir?
I have dinosaurs. Whoa.
Dinosaurs. Right, and we are going best 3 of 5. So let's get going, shall we?
Sure.
I don't remember how we do these.
Baloo is also here.
Blue is here, yes.
I was eating some sweet and hot beef jerky, and I was chewing the entire time.
Yeah, it's so bad. It has no flavor.
Yeah, no, it is.
Go
yeah.
Core Entry. Flame, what is this? I'm gonna go from here.
Alright. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan, go.
That did not work. Oh, it worked.
That's what you think. Yeah, okay, maybe it did.
Wait, no.
Well, you still have a chance.
Wait, hold up. Wombo combo.
Whoa.
I think you're on blue.
I would like to argue that I'm on the line.
Yes, actually you are. I looked closer.
I would like red.
Alright, I am on green.
Oh.
My worst color. I'm only at 300.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Alright, you take that one.
All right.
My strategy worked flawless.
Hook gets the first round.
Dental power. Oh.
PNG.
I'll use wing. Wait. For the dino bonus, I think I'm gonna.
Alright, ready?
3,
2, 1, Bakugan.
That was awesome.
Instant open.
Go PNG. Whoa!
Oh!
It messed me up though.
Pushed hard.
I'm not magnetized.
Epic.
And that's the one that we're talking about, like, oh yeah, it was
Get up.
massive bonus. Crazy.
Alright. Hey, you might be taking round 1 here, good sir.
I don't know.
Dental power.
Those are very strong Beyblades that you have left.
What was that?
Got him.
Oh no!
He didn't even realize. Fuck. Ready?
3,
2, 1, Bakugan Brawl.
We've been tainted.
Any Clash bonus?
Oh,
So close.
the tail keeps him out.
Alright, you get
Whoa.
round 1.
Yay. The Smithsonian would be so proud.
They would.
Shuffle the one hero card back into the deck.
Oh!
He's dropping his dinos.
Yeah, so wing is extinct now.
Welp. Goodbye, Wing. Do you wanna... Okay.
I would expect the same courtesy as I take this card from the bottom and put it on the top.
Alright.
Oh.
Melon Flame.
I'll do wing.
Alright. Ready?
3, 2, 1,
Bakugan Brawl.
That's a battle.
Woo!
Whoa.
Yui is on red.
Indeed.
Melon's on blue, unless the green curves up.
No, he's definitely on blue.
Are you sure about that?
I am 100% sure.
I think the green curves a little bit there. Judge?
Alright, fair enough. Okay, flip. 2, 3,
Would have been
4, 5, 6.
I'm also 600.
Whoa.
We gotta go again.
Okay.
Oh boy.
Oh yeah, if I was on green.
Crazy.
Wow.
It's a game of chance. A chance that you win and a chance
Oh.
that you lose.
Ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl.
Oh, and you're on
Ooh.
green this time, and Yui
Yay.
is on red.
Yep.
Red.
Alright.
Boom.
I'm not. I'm red, I'm not white. I'm only at 500.
I am at 600.
Dang it. Alright, that's yours.
Yeah. Champion.
Alright, gonna go Galaxy Ventry.
Hook. Rawr. Robin Williams.
Mr. Bonner.
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Bakugan Brawl.
I almost delivered. God idiot.
You did say
No!
That's what you get.
Jail!
Wrong franchise. Go to jail. Do not collect
I was
200.
about to say, do not collect 200.
How do I open?
I hope you somehow don't.
That would be kind
But
of
that
funny,
is very
actually.
unlikely.
Yeah, that's pretty solid.
And...
Hey!
Hey!
And he's looking at him too. Like,
Got what you get. Rawr.
Oh boy.
Why'd I close it? I
Ex-
won.
Force of habit? I don't know. Okay, ready?
Yep.
3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl.
bonus.
Ooh.
Anyone has it. Ooh, you knocked him out.
Yeah.
Come on, Penji! Come on, Penji! Oh,
Thinking about it.
No,
Yeah.
that's a respin.
Why is he so loose on
I don't know.
Jeez.
That's a very loose
That is a
dinosaur.
mess.
I think it's the bottom. I just got it because it looked cool, like color wise.
Yeah.
3, 2, 1,
Bakugan
Brawl.
We. Well,
You're open, and he is
I'm not
neither of you
magnetized, though.
magnetized. Yeah.
oh boy.
Really drawing this one out.
Indeed.
Push that hand back in.
This is
Teamwork.
only round 2.
I need to like lock you. Actually, 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl.
Hey!
How does that always work for you?
Physics.
Wow.
Ah!
Hey!
Okay.
So Melon's on
I think
green,
I'm on blue.
and I would
Yeah, I would
say you
say
get to
blue.
choose.
No, that, I'm
Yeah,
pretty
that's
sure.
blue.
Yeah, that's blue.
Okay, blue. All right.
So
Oh boy. Green bonus.
4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
7, 12.
Yeah, Benji.
Winner by 100.
Yeah. Oh, I really.
Galaxy Ventry.
3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. So right, like I did magnetize.
Yeah, and you did block him, so that's a respin.
Wait, how's it a respin?
I mean, you're not
you're
I
together.
opened. I opened. I'm on.
No.
Sir.
There's not burst in Bakugan.
We're not saying I win. We're saying go again.
Yeah, just go. He fell off. In a comedic way.
I'm pretty sure before when we bisected, we've just gone again.
I don't think
Plus
so.
5 audience points to you, Mel.
I'm just gonna do it again and then like use the top half as an obstacle. And
3,
draw this video.
2, 1, Bakugan Brawl. Ooh, I escaped jail.
And you made him open.
I got
And-
stuck on jail.
So round 2 is gonna go to Melon.
Woohoo! Oh boy, one more win and you get it. Oh me, oh my.
Then you have to play me. The best Bakugan G3. No.
Do you really want that title?
I kind of do, but I know it. I know it has a burden of weight.
You can have it. Take it.
Between us 3, yeah. And the viewers at home.
And anyone that wants to challenge you can just settle it in a video brawl.
And then I also,
G3 video brawl?
No.
also need to battle you.
Not if
We
you
all-
lose.
Separate video. That will also be a separate video, so
Well, stay tuned for epic content.
go flame.
I'll do wing. It worked well.
Sir,
last
you need to shuffle your deck.
time. No.
Are you sure?
Whoever's
boy.
LMFAO, like the band, not the slogan.
No clue.
Okay.
Ah, that band. Ready?
Yep. 3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl.
Hey!
Ooh.
I smacked you. Alright, I'm on red, you're on green.
Boom.
600.
2, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Yeah. Darn green bonus. Alrighty. Hey, if I can hold my ripcord.
We're gonna trucks.
Alright.
3, 2, 1,
Bakugan Pro. I was pretty good, and then you smacked me.
Yeah. Green.
Oh boy.
Dad, I'm doing it. Are you proud of me?
You're his father?
Always have been son.
Oh.
Ready?
3, 2, 1.
Whoa! Whoa!
Good thing that's a redo.
It
I
hit my
smacked you
hand.
out.
Like, that had a little bit more force than
I'm just like, no, bad.
Now we know the danger.
3,
3, 2, 1, Bakugan Brawl.
Ooh, get pushed.
That's not good.
Looking pretty solid again.
I think this is your win right here.
Yes, every time.
Yep.
Hey,
All right, that's your win,
Win
sir.
by a hook.
Good game.
Good game.
Check out the G3 Battles playlist, all that good stuff. Link description. Check your Ross for the Avian Clan. Also the Mammal Clan set. That's also at Ross.
This is the fastest outro you've ever had.
Check out links description. Check out Melon's channel, all that fun stuff. See you in the next one. Any last word, boys?
I'll see you in the next video.
Bye!